we are going to show you how to make some masks for kids. We've got a unicorn, a rainbow, and a panda. Keep watching and we'll show you how.
To make the masks, you will need a selection of craft foam, glue, pom-poms, sequins, a hole punch, and some elastic. Use the templates to cut out the foam for the masks. Start by using the hole template to cut the main piece of the mask and the eye holes. Then cut out the individual sections of the template and use these to cut the foam pieces for the masks. For the unicorn, this will be the hair, horn and ears from sparkly and pink foam. For the panda, you'll need to cut a white snout, then a black nose, ears and eye shapes. For the rainbow, cut the coloured stripes in each colour, remembering to cut the eye holes out. Glue all the shapes in place. Add colourful pom-poms to give the rainbow a bit of pizzazz and decorate the unicorn with sequins. Hole punch the side of each mask, then thread on elastic to fit your child's head.
So that's it, 3 easy masks that you can do on a rainy spring day. There are loads more ideas over on the Hobbycraft Ideas Hub, so make sure you check it out.